Car number 4, car number 4. Proceed to main line railroad crossing at Canyon. Truck in trouble. That is all.
What's the trouble?
We busted an axle.
Uh-oh, there's the limited. We've got to stop her.
A lot of people are liable to be hurt, buddy, if we don't.
Why don't you swing your car around and shine the lights down the tracks, huh? There's a sharp curve here. They'd never see us. I'll stop her.
Hey, Ed, see that light bobbing around down there?
Yeah. You don't belong there. Something wrong.
I'm setting in the air.
Well, boys, this flashlight was a lifesaver tonight.
Sure was.
I'll say it was.
Again, human life was saved because the batteries in that flashlight were fresh. Get fresh dated ever-ready batteries for your flashlight. Fresh batteries last long.